Perfume names are getting out of hand. It's like they're clutching at straws to get your attention, and rightly so, because these days we're so attention poor. Hey, look at me when I'm talking to you. See, back in the day when you put out a fragrance called Opium or Egoist, it was kind of controversial, but now that every taboo has been broken, well, almost, this stuff just isn't shocking anymore. It's just cringe. But you can make up your own mind, so let's go through a few of these crazy fragrance names. Tom Ford's Vanilla Sex. You mean like missionary? Sexy Boy, for men only. Make of that what you will, but the box actually comes with this really nice fold-out flight log. Halloween Man Shot. Because who doesn't want a few squirts of man shot in their face? I know your mama does. CH Men, Hot Hot Hot. Sounds like a new song from Ricky Martin. If you don't know who that is, then you're just not hot 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 enough. Oudgasm by KLE, which the English would call a play on words, which the French would call a double entendre, and the Americans would call it a double entendre. Yeehaw! A play on words of oud and orgasm. Oud, if you don't know, is just the wood that's purposely been infected by a fungus and left to fester for years. So it's more like a lovely smelling STI. But yeah, oudgasm. Let's just chuck gasm at the end of everything and see how that works. I brush my teeth with toothgasm. I fill up my car with cargasm. I clean my nose with pinkygasm and flick it with thumbgasm. I went to a funeral and had an eyegasm. I went to Taco Bell and had an assgasm. Yeah, this could actually work. Well played, KLE.
Well played.
Gay Juice by Cristobal. Apparently that's what comes out when you squeeze one. All this time I thought it was glitter. It's a matter work. In Bed with Usi Pradana. Something no one's partner wants to hear. Actually sounds like an excuse I've made when I was younger to call in sick to work, you know? Sorry boss, I'm in bed with Usi Pradana. Trust me, you don't want it. A Come by Esperienza Olfativa. Just the one? Rookie. Just Wow Men Eater by Croatian Perfume House. Hannibal Lecter's signature scent. I urge you to decline all dinner invitations. I hear he's not a vegan. Black Nut. Nah, I ain't getting cancelled for no joke. That'd be a tough nut to crack. So let's just leave it there. But before we go, fuck your couch!